Hey guys, it's your boy Kid. Welcome back. Did you know that you can make as much money on crypto loans just by loaning on the Binance platform, and also you could also benefit from staking opportunities. Binance sent a mail, I think a while back. It's talking about the Binance loan staking, where you can benefit from untapped potential of your crypto asset. Now, this is one of the advantages it has over traditional loaning systems, where your assets that you're currently using as collateral do not appreciate in value, let's say, unless you're very lucky. But right here on the digital space, on the crypto space, Binance gives you the opportunity to stake your assets, stake your collateral, and also benefit from the loan. So at the end of the day, the interest that is being charged on these loans are being repaid using the profit you're getting from the stake collaterals. So this is one good strategy just to compensate or appreciate the fact that users are buying into these products. So this is one good initiative that you should consider, one of the reasons why you should think about using the Binance crypto loans. Now also, there are still other perks. If you're in a dilemma, let's say you want to pay for school fees, you want to pay for you want to settle any of your personal needs or pressing needs, the Binance loans is a place to go to. Now, for a situation where you have your assets, let's say you want to hold Bitcoin for a long period of time, and you do not wish to sell these Bitcoin or these crypto asset that you have in your wallet. Let's say you have which Bitcoin, you have USDT or stable currencies. You do not wish to sell them, and you want to leverage on a particular need or a particular trending opportunity. You can decide to opt into the crypto loan feature or crypto loan product. Now, for school fees, the reason why you could decide to do this is because of the fact that it's available to you 24/7. Now, you could come onto Binance and log into the Binance platform, since it's online based, and as the crypto space works 24/7, 365. You just select the asset you want to. Let's say you want to borrow some amount of USDT. You're a BTC holder, and you want to hold your Bitcoin for a long period of time. You can see the price of Bitcoin is currently about 24,000 or more as of recording. You can check over to CoinMarketCap. So all you need to do, just come over here and click on borrow. So you click on borrow, you can see the interface is very easy, and you can see flexible rate. And flexible rate means you can pay at any time. Or you could also see the 7 days stable rate, where you can use spot wallet asset as collateral. You can use your end wallet asset as collateral and use spot wallet as a supply. So this works either way. Now, for the 30-day stable rate, you can use your spot wallet asset as collateral. Now you can see, for you to benefit using the end wallet as a collateral, you need to subscribe using the flexible rate. So each of these are T and C's usually apply to it. Now you just want to select how much. So let's say your school fees is about $1,000, and you have one BTC, which is way above that the figure. So you just put in, or you need about $10,000. Let's say you need about $10,000, and what you need to do is to select. Let's say you have a BTC. So I'm just going to choose a BTC here. For BTC, you can see $10,000. I'm going to select $10,000 again. $10,000 here, and you can see you only need about 0.5 BTC, which is about the initial LTV is about 70%. You can see most times it's usually about 65% to what you're currently bringing up. 65 to about 75% of what you want to or borrow on the Binance platform. So this is the cool stuff. So your asset will now be with Binance. Binance is going to hold the asset for the period of time that you want to use it. Now you can see the interest rate that you'll be paying is about 8.9% annually, and the earlier hourly interest rate is about 0.1 USDT. So meaning, in a whole day you might just be spending about, just let's say, $1, which is very cheap as compared to if you're to borrow this from a traditional bank that's going to give you about that wants to borrow you about these funds. Now if you're to calculate this for traditional finances, they usually charge, let's say, between about 4% on a monthly basis. So if you have to times that times 12 months, or on an annual rate, that's about 20 to about 30 to 40% interest rate. So you can see the whole gap. This is even less than 10% of what you're borrowing. So you click on agree and you click on start borrowing. you can see it's going to not letting me borrow because I do not have any amount of zero BTC here. Now for you need to have some amount of BTC. You can see in our wallet, you can see some of the funds we have in our end wallet. We have some amount of BUSD which is not up to. We have Luna, we have Sand token which is not up to. So you need to buy additional ones, or you need to do it. So it currently shows you your end wallet, your spot wallet, and so some. So if your funds are in your let's say your funding wallet, you need to transfer them from your funding wallet directly into your end wallet or your spot wallet. And in your end wallet, they will be earning interest for you automatically since you're subscribed to any of the Binance and products, and you also be using them as collateral here. Now these are loads of benefits that you'll be getting. Now you could also check out the interest rates that are very minimal, and you could also check out the ones that are very high. So know the ones, this will help you know the ones that you should go for, or the ones you want to go for. So you can see annual interest rate for Axie Infinity is about 11.18%. Now you can see the cheapest ones. We have ETH for 1.57, which is very cool, which is very cool. And the most lovely thing is the fact that you could stake these assets to and also earn additional interest. Now I'm just going to show you guys my loan history. Yeah, and you need to take note that you can repay at any time. There's no transaction fee being charged. There's no there's no penalty for repaying early. So these are the cool concepts. Now also on the Binance platform, you need to know that maybe you take a loan for about 30 minutes or less than an hour is usually regarded as an hour itself on the Binance platform. So I'm just going to show you guys yeah, a loan history is currently loading up. So once it's loading up, I'm just going to show you guys the cool concept. But before that, as a let's talk about how you can make lots of funds from this. Now one of the cool way users usually make lots of funds from it is by leveraging on the fact that on trends, on opportunities. Now a user or an individual could decide to loan an asset. Let's say you have some amount of stables in your wallet. You decide to loan an asset, let's say Bitcoin, or during the Luna trend when Luna was losing value tremendously. Now you could go into the Binance platform and put in your USDT stable asset as let's say you have about 10,000 USDT. So I'm just going to change this date here. Let's see where it takes us to. Let's see, it takes us here to here. Let's see, let's search history. You're supposed to see the loan history. It's currently not giving me what I want, but I need an information to see our record so far on our search history. So it's supposed to give us a cool brief details about all our transactions so far on flexible rates and more. So the updates are being made on the on the crypto loan platform. So back to what we were saying, guys. You could check out just like in the Luna scenario where it was losing value tremendously. So if you have about $20,000, you could go over, and you want to play safe, you don't want to go over to the future section, or I think during that time the future section was about low. So you could just borrow as much Luna that you want to borrow, and once the price loses the as much value as much as it wants to lose, or during the time of FTX, when during FTX collapse, users borrowed as much as they could using this loan formula, and when the price dropped down as much as it dropped down, they now repaid the loan. So let's say you borrowed 1,000 FTX and it's valued about $100 or $1,000, and now you have to repay it, and it's now worth about just $10. So meaning you'll be paying just $10 for what you borrowed. So you would have made about $990. So these are one strategy for you to. There's a bonus tip for individuals that are interested in learning how to benefit from these, guys. Now as a new user, you also want to check out how to register. So I'll be dropping the link beneath this video. Just click on the link beneath this video. It's going to take you directly to the platform, so you can kickstart your journey as a Binance users. So this is usually more profitable than using any traditional financial system. You could also see some reasons why individuals are currently opting out for these Binance crypto loans, because they are usually very easy to access and are fast, and you don't need they're usually straightforward, so all your records are there. Now there's no issue of documentation where you overpay or you underpay. Now you can see early repayment, you can provide a flexible terms, you can more than 100 loanable assets available, loans taken. You can use your funds anywhere. You trade your funds if you want to trade your funds with futures or more. You can also, and it says here also the both B tokens, you could also get access to wrap tokens. So the B tokens are wrap tokens offered by Binance to help extend assets functionality to blockchains other than the native ones. So Binance loans allows users to borrow Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like B tokens. So you could also borrow wrapped tokens to trade on the Binance platform. Now you want to borrow BETH or wrapped ETH or wrapped BBTC or wrapped Polkadot, you can also get access to this. Now these are some of the cool stuff. Now if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section, guys. Then also I'm just going to show you guys here, you could also check out any of our latest videos here on Binance. Just click on the link below. You can see I'll be dropping all the links to all the beneficial videos. Check any of our videos here so you can see more tutorials that we have on Binance crypto loans. I'm just going to search here keys to Binance loans. So when you search here Akahilz Binance loans, you're going to see a list of videos. Click on it and it's going to show you some cool suits. And also you just click on the register button, register, take note of our affiliate link, sign up with your email address and your phone number, and you're good to go, guys. You can see our affiliate link. You get access to trading fee discounts and more for life, guys, for life. For another bonus tip, guys, I'm dropping the link to the Binance Academy course where you can read more and also position yourself for a $10 airdrop. You could also get free NFT and more, guys. Thanks for watching and stay safe, guys. Your bye, keys.